Hi, I'm Dwayne the Old Timer. Got a project today that's requiring some pretty hefty equipment. This is a Stihl 131, it's an FS 131, and I actually got this with 20% off, so at Murdoch's. And it's a brush whacker, it's a brush cutter. Now it comes with a string head, and it's got these bull horns here to hold on to, which really makes it the control really good. So I took the string head off, and it's real simple. There's a bolt under here, and now these are reverse threads. So normally you would tighten it clockwise and loosen it counterclockwise, but on this you loosen it counterclockwise, or you tighten it counterclockwise and loosen it clockwise. And so the string head, it just twists off. There's a little hole, see if I can find it here. There it is up on top. Now you stick a little screwdriver, or it comes with a little rod that fits in there, and you turn this until you find the lock, and it locks this shaft. Then you can get the string head off, and then this just bolts right on top of it. It comes with the necessary hardware to change it out. Now there's some blades are not designed for this particular model, but this blade, we didn't have to cut 3-inch trees down or even 2-inch trees down. We're cutting woody weeds is all, but they're big weeds, as you can see, and they're choking out our crop, and so I'm in here cutting them down. Now you got to really be careful not to cut your crop down too with these things, so because they will. I've already cut a couple, but that's a quick learn. Now it comes with a vest. You clip it on this little hook right here, and it hangs off of your chest, so you don't have to hold it all the time. It makes it a lot easier. So I've got the bush blade on it. There's circular blades, and there's 2 or 3 blades, different metal blades you can put on this. One thing you want to be careful of is to hit anything metal. Come on in close here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. I nicked one of those metal posts the other day, and it put a little chink in it. Not too bad, I can file that out. But I didn't get it. I pulled back really quick. I didn't get, that's the only one that I really damaged, maybe just a tiny bit there. So with any piece of equipment like this, you want to wear the proper attire. Safety glasses. I should be wearing gloves, but again, we're not cutting wood. So like in this here particular, I'm going to move these out so I don't cut my crop down. But let me give you a demonstration. Maybe I will go there, right in there where there's not so many plants that I want to keep, and then I'll go around a plant to show you how it's pretty precise. If you can find the stock of the plant you want to keep, and you can get right up to it if you take it real easy. You can surgically remove some of these guys. So with that, I'll starts up pretty easy. There's the little device that you hook the hook into, like that, and we'll go over here. We'll get started. about a 1-inch stock there. Cut right through it like knife through butter, hot knife through butter. If you get close to one of your plants, just take it easy. Know where the stock is. Now this machine doesn't really mulch, but it's kind of a good thing because when they're laying down, they're going to protect the base of the plant that you want to keep. It's going to protect it. It's going to hold the moisture in the ground, so you don't really want to mulch them. They're laying down like you see them all around. Good ground cover. It's like putting straw around your plants or something. Out of gas. So I really like this machine. It's been excellent. It's easy to start. It does a fantastic job. I couldn't give it a more of a thumbs up.